Salvete discipuli. Today's super short mini little lesson is the last lesson in chapter 12 in Latin for the New Millennium, and it's about an irregular third declension I stem noun, vis. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you all the information here. As you can see from the dictionary entry, vis, blank, feminine. Vis actually doesn't have a genitive singular form, right? It actually doesn't have a dative singular form either. This is why it's a highly irregular feminine third declension I stem noun, okay? And it's one of these nouns that has one definition in the singular and then a slightly different but related definition in the plural, okay? So the definition of vis, or excuse me, the declension of vis is vis, blank, blank, whim, we, force, or by, with, or from force, vires, virium, viribus, vires, viribus. So strength in the plural, of strength to or for strength, strength, by, with, from, strength. Okay, the first thing I want to kind of show you is that you should not confuse this noun with weir, weary, masculine. Not only because this is a feminine noun and weir, weary, which means man, is masculine, but also because they are different declensions. In the plural, you might, for a hot second, get confused over whether this is strength or men. But again, ace, or I should say, ibis, ace, ibis, are third declension endings, which means if you see we erase, that cannot be man because man is in fact second declension, right? The nominative plural of weir is weary, wearorum, wearis, wearos, wearis. They do not have the same endings, so you should not confuse them, okay? If you see these third declension endings on this weir base, then you know it's strength. If you see second declension endings, you know it's man, okay? The last thing that I want to do is just show you two sentences to show you how it translates. You should write down the definition, excuse me, the translation as I say it orally, because again, with these videos, you are of course writing down information from the slide because it's useful, but you're also listening to the things I'm saying because those are also useful. Okay, so our first sentence is Romani hostes vi vincebat. So the Romans were conquering the enemies, with force, okay? Singular of this particular noun is going to translate force and not strength, as you now know. Second sentence, vires amoris est potentes. The strength of love is strong, is powerful, right? The strength of love is powerful. So vires, again, we know it means strength because it has that es ending, which is a third declension ending. And since we have vires, since we have the plural of this irregular noun, it's going to translate strength, okay? All right, that's it. Like I said, super short, mini little lesson. Take good notes. I will look at them in class, and I hope you have a lovely evening. Walete.